Hello my people in the house. Good morning, good night time you come across this video. It's me, Ijoro Oviodiwan. I want to say thank you for watching me. Please, if you like anything that I'm doing, please share me out, follow my page, and God will bless you guys if you do that. And God will still bless you if you didn't share me out as well. I've been living here almost 20 years now. There are things these white people, these French people don't like. The complaint that you are complaining, if you are doing it just for them to pity you, sorry for yourself. The reason why I don't know why you guys come out, cry out, help me, oh, they have collected my children, they are do that. Please come out as well, my sister. The reason why they collect your children, the thing that you say to them, there are things that you are doing, but the moment that you have children, you have to reduce whatever you are doing. You guys, because God have given you that belly, you think you are a mother. Since I'm in this city of Nat, I never hear say they collect person child. The only reason now they are doing it here or any other place in Europe or here in France is because most of time they do collect white people, their own skin, their own tribe. Because of drink, they forget their children for school. How can a mother forget the time when you go carry children for school? Hello, are you okay? Why do you have children if you can't take care of them? The video I did before, I said, please, not because of your friend have 4, 5, and you must have. Our mother have 10 children. They take care of them, but some of them they be only God know second if you don't understand Benin, sorry. The other people, they be second, third, fourth wife in their husband house. The other one, is the swabber, is the type robber. All those children, is only God grace. You will see all those 10 children, they are living well. If you know you don't have money, or you don't have work, or you don't know how to read and write, please, my people, stop having this a lot of children. If it's because of this benefit or what, you can't, because of the money that they are giving, having children, and you are not capable to take care of the children. And you guys will come out, will cry. They took my children away from me. What happened? Can you just please, madam, tell us what really happened? Why they collect that children from you? Sometimes we women, we always say something and we forget. When you go to social worker house, they ask question. When you are alone with 3, 4 children, they ask deep question. And you think they are helping you. They are not. They are looking for that devil inside you, so that you will bring it out. They know that for them, it's not easy for a mother to take off 4 children alone. They will start asking you questions, Even say sometimes you don't complain that you can't take care of them. They will volunteer for you. You have a lot of children, we can help you out and stay. We can send people to you for them to take the children to school. My sister, while fall is your muguni, if you fall, they will enter your body. Please, guys, having children is nice, but you have to know how to take care of them. You don't know how to read and write. You have 1,000 of children and you are alone. Those, even though you didn't call them, they will call you. These French people. I'm just talking about here, this place I'm living. When you cry out, please, my question is, say to us the reason why they collect the children from you. I beg. When you are, even though you have one child, you are a drunkard, and you always forget your child for school, they will collect it. If you are a smoker, you smoke, you sleep, and you always forget to go to your appointment and take the child to school. Maybe your child is here in France. When your child is 6 years, you don't have right to keep it at home. Or some of us will travel to another country to spend three months. Because if you really know the value of school, you won't allow that your child miss mercredi. I mean Wednesday. Wednesday here is just half day. Some more of us will just travel and they don't care. You will just, maybe you say, I tired today, I don't feel carry and go school. They are just writing it down. They do collect their own children, but they can't try to Arab people, Muslim people, and they can't try to all those jalabia, those people that wear biscuit skirts. Sometimes they do beg here in France. Please tell us the reason why they take your children. Stop crying. Tell us so that we can still take from it. The moment you cried out, you didn't tell us the truth so that we can be careful with them. I will tell you what it really happen. My lady, stop lying. This cry won't help anybody. But when you come out to cry, it's okay. But tell us the truth, the reason why. If you, because you smoke, you drink, you complain. Some of us will just go to social people's house, we start complaining. And the man didn't help me. And how can you have 4 children and you don't know where the father is? Are you okay? You think they don't have sense? You start complaining, I don't know where he is. So there are people who doesn't have children, who need children. When you go to social house, you start putting the father of your children down just for them to give you small money or whatever. You are just killing yourself. That is my topic today. I hope you guys love it. Thank you very much and have a lovely day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Kiss, 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 kiss. Je t'aime.